Nige, I just need 1 minute to answer a question for the website.
Yeah, okay, I can if there's time. Okay, so basically there's 4 stages. There's pre-production, which involves organising locations, interview questions, storyboards, scripts, whatever the project needs, and that varies dramatically. So you don't always need all of those things, sometimes you need more. Stage 2 is production, which involves the actual filming of video footage, and it includes tasks like setting up cameras, lighting, sound equipment, directing the interviewees or actors, depending on what kind of film it is, capturing and logging the footage before you move on to the bit that takes the longest, which is post-production. And this involves the editing and processing of all the video footage, reviewing and selecting the best parts, then assembling a coherent narrative, adding visual and sound effects, colour grading, and also adding some really top music which suits the project. We've got a fantastic library at Supermotion. It's a busy part of the production process, and it's really where everything comes together. Before the final stage, which we focus on, is the amplification stage, and this involves sharing or distributing the finished video, uploading the video to social media platforms, streaming services, websites, or whatever really, promoting the video through marketing or advertising campaigns. It just very much depends on what you want to do with it and what your end goals are. Okay, I think that's about it. If you need any more information, feel free to click the Book a Strategy Call button below and we can talk further. Thanks a lot.